What's up guys, it's Alex with ATV. Today we're about to do a wash and sand on this patio behind me, and we're just gonna do a test here. This is pull shock on this side. This is what a lot of power washer people use. It can be damaging to the pavers, so I just want to see which one works better and see if any damage happens or is visible with that stuff. And this stuff you just spray on and rinse. This stuff over here, we got techinseal paver restorer. So this is supposed to restore your pavers, make it look brand new. We got it mixed up in this bucket here, and we're gonna get it wet, surface wet first, sprinkle some on, and then Louie's gonna use the broom to scrub it. So we're gonna do a time lapse of that. Enjoy the test.